Hi, in this video, I'm going to discuss how you can create your own quizzes with the help of web pages. Okay, so if you have any type of website or web pages and you want to create quizzes, so that is very easy to do. Okay, so first of all, you need to do sign up on this website. Either you are a student or you are a teacher, you can do sign up. I'm already on a teacher on this website, so you can see teacher dashboard will look like this and student dashboard will look like this. So I am a teacher. I will click on teacher dashboard because I already logged in. So after that, you need to click on create quiz, and here you can click on web pages and you can add your web pages. So I already have some web pages. Okay, so I will copy the link. So as you can see, this is web page from Sam's Club and it has some product information. So I will click on it and I will copy the link. Now I will go to this website, okay, and I will click on it, add, and now I can click on next step, and here you can define your settings like question counts. Okay, so I need only 5 questions. I need 20% or 30% pass marks, and I can add custom instructions and I can assign 5 points or whatever points you want, and you can also set deadline and click on randomize question, and after that you can click on review, and now you can click on generate quiz. So I already generated a quiz. It would look like exactly like this. Okay, so it is the same page that I have created. So after creating a quiz, now you can click on publish to publish it. Okay, you can upload your cover image from here, and now I will select my cover image for this quiz, and after that I will move forward. So I am just going to upload my cover image that I have created for this quiz. So you can assign any cover image that you want, but right now I will select any random image that I have. Okay, so I will click on it. I will click on upload, and now it has been uploaded. Now after image has been uploaded, it will only take few seconds. Then I can click on publish quiz and my quiz would be published and ready to be assigned to other classes. So once quiz has been published, the next step is to create a class. Okay, so either you can create a new class, or you, if you already have classes, you can assign the test. But as you know, I have already some classes in my groups, so I don't need to create any other class. But if you want, you can create a new class and you can assign or add students to a class. So let's create a new class. This is just a test class. Okay, so this is test class. Once you have created a class, you can just add students in it. Either you can click on add student and you can assign student here their emails, or you can just click on invite and you can share the invite links with your students. So the first step, create a quiz. The second step, create a class and assign quizzes and assign students or add students to that particular class. So the second step is completed. Now we can easily assign that quiz to this class. So if I click on all test, now I can see all of my tests, and now I can open specific test that I want to assign that I just created, and I can see the leaderboard here. Okay, I can see the public library stats, and I can see there are no assigned classes to this quiz. Okay, and below that you can see questions, performance and submissions, enrolled students, share and QR code. So I need to assign this quiz to a particular class, so I will select test class, and now I can click on done, and now I need to click on test class, and all of the links will be below there. So this is the invite link for this class for this test. Okay, if I assign the same quiz to any other class, like I go there, I share and assign to this other class, so now this quiz has been assigned to 2 different classes. Okay, so you can see this quiz has been assigned to this class, this quiz is been assigned to this class as well. So if you change the class, the links will be updated and you just need to click on copy link to share with your students. So this means this link would be specifically for this class and for this test, and if I click on this, that link would be for this class and this specific test. Okay, this is how you create tests, you create quizzes, and then you create classes and add students to classes, and after that you just assign the quizzes to classes and share with your students. And you can also monitor your test in real time by clicking on this, so you can see how many students are doing live tests, how many violations are made, and what are the recent submissions from the students. So this is how you do testing on this. If you have any other feature in mind, you can click on request feature. You can add your feature and description, and we would obviously consider it and we would implement in this website. Thank you. Have a good day.